Create a weighted mean for a irregular time series in Pandas. From simulation data with variable time step, I have a irregular time vector as index for my values. They are stored in a pandas.data frame. Let's consider a simplified test case. Using the normal df.mean function would result in the answer 3.2, which would only be true if the time vector would be equidistant. I think the correct result will be 3.55. As for the first time step, or 0 seconds long, the average value is 1.5. For the second time step, the average value is 5 minutes long, etc. This results in, which results in an average of 3.55, 35.5 / 0 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3. Is there an efficient way to do this with pandas? This should finally result in something like to create average values with an equidistant time vector.
Well, I figured out how to solve my problem. I don't know if it is a nice solution, but it works. I changed the original code in the question by exchanging datetime.time by datetime.datetime, otherwise it won't work. There is no method total_seconds for datetime.time objects. I also had to import number py to be able to use number py.average. So now the code would be this little function solved my problem. I first tried to use pd.index.diff to compute the time_delta array, but this resulted in a number py.datetime64 series, where I did not know how to convert them into floats, as np.average requires floats as input type for weights. I'm thankful for any suggestions to improve the code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.